time to go fishing. What the heck? What the heck is that? Is that a angel dragon? I've only read about them in myths. Hello? It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you. Did you want to catch a fish? Yeah? Do you want me to show you? Do you not know how? No? Okay, I'll show you. Here, take this. And come over here. Alright. Toss your line into the water. No, not quite. Toss it into the water like that. No, not quite. Like this. You see? Only the bobber goes in. Getting closer. Alright. Like this. Whoops, did I accidentally hook you? I'm sorry. Alright, see? See? That's how you catch a fish. Yay! Now you wait for the fish. See? You caught one! You caught fish! Yay! Oh, you have to go? Okay. Bye! Bye, Angel Dragon! Bye! And that's how you can, that's how you teach an angel dragon how to fish.